What are some big Zoom presentation mistakes? What are 5 things that you do that your audience hates? What are they? Let's find out. So by the way, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Lots of great videos coming up. Don't miss out. Mistake number 1. Never getting to the point. So many Zoom presenters do it. You're in a Zoom presentation, you're on a Zoom call. Yeah, when I do Zoom presentation training, I see it all the time. People present to me and they never get to the point. Yeah, they ramble on, they tell their story, they go through everything. But where is the point? What is the big key point of your presentation? And what are your key messages throughout? So in your Zoom presentation, if you don't want your audience to hate you, you have to get to the point. Mistake number 2, having a monotone voice and keep talking like this for 1 hour during your presentation. Boring, right? You don't want to come across as boring in your presentation. The worst thing you can do with Zoom, okay, or Microsoft Teams that some people use as well, is having a boring voice, a monotone voice. Nothing is worse, especially when you deliver slides. If you deliver slides and they just see the little video of you and sometimes no video at all, and your voice is monotone and boring, forget it. Your audience will hate you. They will hate you. Yeah, so you gotta work on your voice. You gotta have good vocal variety. You gotta make it interesting. Sometimes you gotta have pauses, yeah, and you gotta be impactful when you are presenting. It is so critical to have a good voice on Zoom. Mistake number 3, a slide data dump. You throw all your data, yeah, not well organized, and tons of it on each slide. So each slide is overloaded with text. Yeah, sometimes these are giant blocks of text, sometimes it's giant bullet points, 10 million on a slide, but your audience gets overwhelmed. And people tend to do it already in live presentations with a live audience, but also from what I've seen through my training, and when I join other webinars, people just data overload their audience. And how do we feel as an audience? We hate it. Every time we see a slide, we go like, again? So you will not get your points across at all because your audience feels overwhelmed. Please don't do it anymore. Keep your slides simple, keep your slides to the point. Mistake number 4, no facts or no stories. Most presenters are one of the two. Yeah, some presenters are good at storytelling, but they lack facts. If that's you, your audience will not believe in your presentation. Especially in a business presentation, if you don't show any facts, any research, any proof, forget it. It's not gonna fly. The other thing though is not good either. When you only have facts in your presentation, what's gonna happen to the audience? Yes, they will fall asleep. So you gotta have a good balance there. You don't go too much either way, because what happens again? Your audience will hate you, and we don't want that. So make sure you have facts and you have a bit of a storyline, stories and examples. Mistake number 5, potentially the worst of all, is not caring about what your audience is interested in. If you don't care about what they're interested in, how can they be interested in your presentation? It's impossible. Most presenters, Zoom presentations or outside of Zoom, make this mistake. They only think about, what should I prepare? What should I present? What topic should I share? You gotta ask yourself, what does your audience want? In the end, your audience decides if your presentation is a success or not. Yeah, so focus on them. Make it interesting for them. And lastly, a little bonus tip here. No confidence. Yeah, huge mistake. If you're presenting on Zoom without any confidence, okay, without any passion and enthusiasm sometimes, again, forget it. It's not going to work. Some people think a Zoom presentation is much easier. All I need is my voice. Yeah, but if it's not a confident voice, the audience can hear it even more. So you gotta make sure that you have confidence, that you believe in your presentation and your contents. Yeah, and you gotta bring that confidence over to your audience. So comment below on time and just be honest, which of these Zoom presentation mistakes have you been guilty of? Have you had an experience where your audience was clearly not happy with you? Yeah, just share it below on time. Don't be shy. If you want some feedback on what to improve, let me know down below, okay? Also, if you haven't done it yet, yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.